My name is Marcia Getz. I was born in Pomona in 1948. I lived in several towns because my father was transferred a lot. We moved in we lived in San Bernardino in 1958 until he was transferred once again in 1966 when we moved to Covina. I felt like a big city girl after living in San Bernardino. Covina was such a small town. When we first moved to Covina in November of 66, in the middle of my senior year, was was when I first started crying, which because it was devastating. I can remember storm ditches along Barranca Avenue that people had to cross over to get to their property. It surprised me that they could make such a sharp turn without falling into the ditch. The day we moved into the house off of Puente, we had just gotten the last of the furniture off the moving van and it started raining. It rained for at least 30 plus days, but my grandpa couldn't help but lament and forewarn us of 40 days and 40 nights, and were we ready to float away. I know he thought he was amusing. The ditches in the meantime were filling and overflowing with water. It actually rained 8 3/4 inches and felt like 40 days and nights. I don't remember any of those cars I worried about falling into those ditches. The ditches, of course, are gone now, given way to gutters and storm drains that are not as picturesque. But I do miss those ditches because time has washed away many of the fond memories of the past.